Hey, what's up? How you doing? Thank you for checking out my video. Today we will be taking a quick look at these, which are the Monster Archive 100 Airlink earbuds built for an active lifestyle. What you get in the box is a charge cable approximately a foot long, USB-A to USB-C. Additional earbuds, tips here. Also, this here what they call a sports clip. It goes around the earbud, help keep it in your ear. You get assorted sizes for your fit. We have the charge case. Feels pretty good in hand. 4 charge indicator lights on the front, USB port in the back. The earbuds look very lovely with the silver little ring accent, physical buttons. And if you're familiar with Monster, you know they have that deep, clean bass sound, and these will not disappoint. I listen to them for approximately a couple hours a day. The battery lasts, like I said, over 25 hours with the charge case. But the best feature is the quick charge. Within 10 minutes, you can get 2 hours. Thank you for watching.